Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IMOAlgebraSolution. Now we have to see this nice algebra problem. So let's start the solution. AB equal to 10, equation number 1. BC equal to 20, equation number 2. And CA equal to 30, equation number 3. Now multiply equation 1, 2 and 3. Multiplying equations 1, 2 and 3. We get multiplying equation 1, 2 and 3. We get AB multiply BC multiply CA equal to 10 multiply 20 multiply 30 equal to A into A, that is A square, B into B, that is B square, C into C, that is C square. 10 multiply 20 multiply 30 equal to 3 to the 6, 6 into 1, 6, and write this 30, that is 6000. Now we write this A square B square C square equal to A B C whole square equal to 6000. Okay, now we have to factorize this one first. Here we can factorize 6000 by factorization method. We can factorize this first. Here 6000 divided by 2 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 0 0 0. Again divide by 2, we get here 1500. Again divide by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Again divide by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Now divide by 3, 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now again divide by 3, we cannot divide this, now we can divide by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, again divide by 5, 5 5s are 25, again divide by 5, again divide by 5, we get here 1. So now this 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So this becomes 16. This 5 into 5 becomes 25, and this 3 into 5 becomes 15. So taking square root, we can write here A B C equal to, and here square root of 6000. Here square root of 6000 equal to, so here square root will be removed, so we get A B C equal to under root. We can write under root here 16 multiply 25 multiply 15. 16 multiply 25 multiply 15. So here we can see that we can write separately 16 into 25 into square root of 15. Okay, so in this way we can write ABC. Now ABC equal to under root 16 is a square of 4 into under root 25 is the square of 5 into under root 15. Now here square root will remove, here square root will remove, so we write 4 into 5 into under root 15 equal to, we can write here ABC. Here we can write 4 5s are 20 under root 15. This is the value of ABC. Now we will see that here we can write 3 parts. First equation we can write ABC equal to 20 under root 15. Second part we can write here ABC equal to 20 under root 15. Third part we can write here ABC equal to 20 under root 15. 20 under root 15. Now AB. First equation we will move to the equation 1. Equation 1 is AB is equal to 10. So here we write AB is equal to 10. Now put this value here AB. Put this value here AB. So here AB is equal to 10 into C is equal to 20 under root 15. Divide both sides by 10. We get 10 multiply C by 10 equal to 20 divided by 10. 20 under root 15 divided by 10. 10 cancel. Here 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. So we get the value of C equal to 2 under root 15. 2 under root 15. This is the value of C. This is the value of C. Now we have to find now value of this second ABBC, means we have to find the value of A. So see the value of BC is equal to 10. See the value of BC is equal to 10. Here BC is equal to 20. We will put here 20 now. BC is equal to 20 from equation number 2. Now we will put BC. A into BC is equal to 20 is equal to 20 under root 15. Now divide both sides. Now divide both sides by 20. So we get here, divide both sides by 20. So we get here A into 20 divided by 20 equal to 20 under root 15 divided by 20. 20 cancel, here 20 cancel. So we get A is equal to under root 15. This is the value of A. Now we have to find the value of B. So we have to move towards this third part. See the value of CA. Value of CA is equal to 30. So we have to find third part here. CA is equal to 30. C is equal to 30. So we write here CA, means B into CA. Value of CA is 30 is equal to 20 is equal to 20 under root 15 is equal to 20 under root 15. Here divide both side. Divide both side by 30. Divide both side by 30. So we get here b into 30 divided by 30 equal to 20 under root 15. 20 under root 15 divided by 30. 30 cancel. 10 to the 20, 23 the 30. So here b equal to, we get value b equal to 2 under root 15 divided by 3. This is the value of b. Now we have to do the addition of all. We have to find the value of a, b, c. We have got the value of c, we have got the value of a, and we have got the value of b also. Now we have to find the value of a plus b plus c. Value of a is under root 15, value of b is 2 under root 15 by 3, value of c is 2 under root 15. Now we have to find the value of a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c equal to, value of a is under root 15 plus value of b is 2 into under root 15 by 3 plus value of c is 2 under root 15. Now here we have to take the LCM is 3. We have to take the LCM is 3. So here we can write 3 under root 15. 3 under root 15 plus here 2 under root 15 plus here 3 to the 6 under root 15. Now 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11. Then under root 15 we write here under root 15 by 3. So value of a, b, c is, hence value of a plus b plus c is equal to 11 under root 15 by 3. If you are new on the channel, so you can subscribe the channel. Now let's recap this. Here we have find value of a, b and c. Before that we have find the value of a, b, c. AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 20, and C is equal to 30 is given. We have find the value of A plus B plus C. So if you are new on the channel, so like, share and subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the whole video. Here we can write the answer. Here we can write the answer 11 under root 15 divided by 3. 11 under root 15 divided by 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. Thank you for watching the whole video.